Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to explain you about interfaces in Java. Previously, I have discussed about abstract classes in Java. I suggest you to go and check out that abstract classes video and then refer this video. So, this video is totally about interfaces. So generally, interface in Java is like a general term. Generally, the meaning of interface is like a bridge. Like suppose if you take an example like for our house, the interface to the outside environment is the interface is door. That means door acts like an interface, right? And in order to connect our mobile, like in order to connect our mobile for charging, the socket acts like an interface. So here Java interface classes has so many advantages. This feature enables the abstraction and also inheritance. That means both abstraction and inheritance concepts can be applied in interface. So let's see with an example. I will explain you with the example about the interface. So this is IntelliJ editor. Now I'm going to create a new class. Let's create a new Java class and let's name it as okay, let's name it as class A. Okay. Now the class A is created here. So I'm going to declare this class A as interface. That means public interface classes will be declared as a keyword called interface. So that means this class is now interface class, right? Now here, generally interface contains abstract methods only. Previously, I have discussed about abstract. So please go and watch what is meant by abstract classes in Java. So interface has abstract methods only. Like what are the abstract methods means the methods which does not have any body. Like abstract methods can't be implemented. Like suppose this is abstract method. Public, like let's give the name as color. Color. So this is the abstract method. Now, if I give semicolon, this is the abstract method. I am not implementing the method. I am just declaring the method. Suppose if I want to implement the method, it throws an error. What it is telling means you can see here, interface abstract methods cannot have body. When any class is mentioned as interface means we should not implement the methods in interface. We can only declare the methods. So this is declaration. Now the error was gone. Now I want to give another method called color. Let's give fruit. So in interface, we can only have declaration of the methods, but we can't have implementation of the method. Then how can we implement the method means let's create another class in this source file. Let's give the class name as B class. Now I want this A class to be implemented in B class. Then how can we do that? Actually, in abstract classes, we will use extends keyword in order to get properties that are present in one class to another class. Similarly, in interface, if we want to get the properties from one class to another class, here one class is A class to B class, we have to use implement keyword because here in interface A, here in class A, we are using interface. That means this is interface class, right? In order to get properties from an interface class, we have to use the keywords called implements. Implements A. That means I want all the properties from A class to be implemented in B class. here it is showing error. Why means we just declared the methods in interface. Now as soon as I'm implementing the A class, those methods will also be implemented here, right? But here we just declared the methods, so it is throwing that error. You have to implement the methods, for that's why it is throwing error. Now if you see the error here, you can see class B must either be declared abstract or implement abstract method color in A. That means we need to implement the methods. If I click on this, you can see the methods will be implemented here. I have given color in the interface A and fruit in the interface A. Now, when I clicked on the implement the methods, it just implemented the methods in the class B. Here in the interface, you can achieve both the inheritance and abstraction concept. So now if I give, let's give color as red, and here in this method, in fruit method, let's give color as, let's give color as fruit as apple. Now let's write the main method now. Now I want to execute these two methods. For this I have to create an object. Like how can we create? As these two methods are declared in the A class, I have to write my object as A type new B. So now I will call these methods. One is color method and another one is fruit method. Now let's execute this one. You can see the output here. See, red and apple was executed. So this is the concept of interface. And also one more thing is in interface class, whatever variables that we are declaring, those variables are always static and final. So this is the concept of interface. This is all about this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.